Let's see how to insert Lifecycle in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to insert a diagram of a life cycle of a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. So what we can do is, first off, click on the Insert tab, and right here, click on Smart Art, and this new window will pop up where you can choose all of the different kinds of charts or processes that you want to insert into your document. So if you want to insert a life cycle, let's go ahead and click on this one right here, which represents the basic cycle. Now click on OK. And as you can see, we now have our basic life cycle right here. So mainly, there are 4 stages in the life of a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. Namely, those 4 stages are the egg stage, then the larva stage, then the pupa stage, and lastly, the adult stage. So let's go ahead and remove one of these circles. Now, to edit the contents of your chart or your cycle, simply click on the text field right here and type in your text. And as you can see, we now have a basic diagram of a life cycle of a caterpillar. And to make it even easier or more visually appealing, you can also change the colors of your life cycle, or you can also add images if you want to. And that is how you can insert life cycle in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.